Welcome my dear friends, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. In this video we will discuss data center. Most of us we have heard the name data centers, and in this video I will explain data center in very simple language. Agenda. What is data center? In this video I will discuss what is data center, why we need data center, components of data center, types of data center, and data center classification and levels. What is data center? A data center is a facility on some location where multiple servers or machines are engaged in doing various tasks like collection of data, storing of data, processing of data based on the needs, and distribution of massive amount of data. Data center house a network's most critical systems and vital to continuity of daily operations. The security and reliability of data centers and their information is a top priority for organization. Security is most important because data should be totally secured, because lot of vital information and important informations are there, like our bank details and many important data. Reliability is most important because data center should have reliability. We should easily able to upload the data, retrieve the data for our day-to-day operations. You will see the picture Google data center. This is the Netherlands data center facility of Google. This is a massive data center, is a massive infrastructure, and data center cost is huge. $1 to $1 billion companies are investing in data centers. Data center, some of the images of data center you can see in this video for your information. Now, why we need data center? Every moment, every minute, every hour, every day, we generate massive amount of data using various internet applications like our banking system, business operations, industrial operations, e-commerce, online purchases, emails, social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Google search, various websites, online educations, healthcare data, research data. Now all these data are generated, so there is a need to manage this data. This data should be stored. This data should have a safety and security for our operations. For this purpose, data centers are built. Data centers for storing massive amount of data, for providing the 24/7 services to the customers, for data safety and security, for conducting day-to-day business operations. Data center components. Basically, data centers are having server. There are many racks, server, storage facility. There is a network, then data management software, then there is a power. Data center needs huge power requirement. It should be uninterrupted power supply, so there should be a backup power system. It needs huge cooling arrangement, that is air conditioning system. Temperature should be controlled, humidity should be controlled. For these devices is most critical, and for cooling itself there is a huge power requirement and very sophisticated cooling systems are used. Also, these facilities should have uninterrupted power as well as cooling facility. So there are many systems available. I'll discuss it later based on the levels of the data center. Then there is a security system both for physical security, unauthorized person should not enter the data center, as well as the data security, because whatever data is stored, that hackers they should not able to access it. So data security is the topmost priority for data center. Now, types of data centers. There are various types of data centers are available. Co-location data center. This is a type of data center where you can rent equipment, space and bandwidth from the data center owner. There are many co-location data centers provider, and many companies they are using these co-location data center services from the co-location data center providers. In India, there are many. You can see, you can get the data of co-location data center and you can use the data. Many companies are using it and it is the cheapest one. Other one is the enterprise data center. It's a fully company owned data center used to process internal data and host mission critical applications. Examples, Google and Facebook, they are having enterprise data centers for their own uses. Managed services data center. It's managed by third party. The company leases the equipment and infrastructure instead of buying it. Example, fully managed IBM cloud services. Now, cloud data center is the most modern, expensive. It is off-premises form of data center. Data and applications are hosted by a cloud services provider such as Google, Amazon Web Services. You have heard the name AWS, Microsoft and IBM Cloud. Now, most important thing we should know, and for our uses of data center and when we have the services data center provider, then we should see these classification levels. Tier 1 is the basic capacity, single upline services, availability is 99.671%. Tier 2, redundant capacity, components for power and cooling can be removed without shutting them down. Availability of this data center is 99.741%. Tier 3, concurrently maintainable, any parts can be shut down and removed without impacting IT operation. Availability is 99.821%. Tier 4, fault tolerant, zero single points of failure. Availability is highest. Availability is 99.995%. When we take the data center services from the data center provider, please ensure that you take the data center services from tier 3 or tier 4, minimum tier 3. Hope this video is useful. If you like this video, please like and share and also subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot.